Are you frustrated that your home is never clean? That it's always a disaster and things need to be picked up? Do you work outside the home? Do you have young children? Well, do you have children of any age for that matter? We can relate. I can relate. My home, I feel like, is always unorganized. I am Tammy with Family with Purpose, and I have 5 simple daily habits that you can do right now that will help your home stay tidy and picked up and clean. Number 1 is super simple. There's a book even out for it. Make your bed. It takes 45 seconds. Do you know how I know that? I timed myself yesterday when I made my bed. Not even a minute to make your bed. If your room is a disaster but your bed is made, your room looks a lot cleaner. And that includes putting all my pillows on my bed. Number 2, start a load of laundry at night and then put it in the dryer when you wake up. I do this all the time. I've mentioned it in videos in the past. It's a great practice to get into because the water pressure and then the hot water doesn't affect anybody when you're sleeping. And then in the morning, you put it in the dryer. That way, if you do a load every day, you don't get bombarded with a ton of laundry to do. You keep up on practice clothes, on work clothes, on sports stuff. It just makes life so much easier. Number 3, sort mail and school papers pronto. I call it the do it now mentality. I get the mail, right then and there, I sort it. The majority of it, probably 85% of it, is junk mail. So that goes right into the trash. Or if you're recycling people, put it in your recycle. Same with school papers. I pick out the ones that need to sign. Actually, my kids have a place they put it if I need to sign it, a certain place. And the rest of them either go in a file or in the trash. Do it now mentality. Then you put your bills wherever you pay your bills, and then you're done. No paper monsters for you. Number 4, clean your kitchen as you go. It is so nice to walk into a clean kitchen and a kitchen that everything's put away to cook or to start a meal. And that happens with practice. Put your dishes in the dishwasher if you're blessed with a dishwasher when they are dirty. Run your dishwasher at night, just like your washing machine, and then clear it out in the morning so you have clean dishes. Clean as you go, and wipe down those counters as well. And number 5 is probably my favorite. I call it the 5-minute pickup run. I grab a basket or a bag and I run around my house and pick up things that are not in their home or in their place. Now, I typically do this a couple times a day, but if you do it one time at night before you go to bed, I have a video about this as well. That will make your morning much more run smoother and happier because things are in their place. So I guarantee if you do these 5 quick, simple traditions every day, you will have a picked up house and a cleaner house, and you'll have more joy because you won't constantly be doing the same thing over and over again. And that's important. But remember, it takes about 28 to 30 days to make a habit. So give yourself grace when you do this. But in a month, you should be able to have all these down and have a cleaner, more tidy home. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Like this video, comment if there's a trick that you do every day to keep your house clean, and share this video too. Until next time, be intentional about your home, make it a safe haven for your family, and one that's cleaned up.